What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about how often you should apply for a credit card. This is a question that I get so much where it's just like, how long should I take to apply for a new credit card, especially since I talk about credit card churning, even though some people don't like that term, credit card churning. They like travel hacking and things like that. But I'm still stuck on the fact that people churn credit cards and they think of it as a bad thing because people don't want to think of anybody taking advantage of a credit card company or issuer that gives you a credit card or gives you a bonus, and you're just churning out credit cards and closing them and buying or getting a new one and, closing that one and all that stuff. That's not what you're doing. You're doing a whole different other process. If you want to check out that video, I'll put that up in the cards. But I wanted to talk to you about how often you should apply for a credit card. This is something that is very simple and has changed over time. The article that I was looking at is an old article, and the reason why I decided to update it is because it's an old article. So I wanted to give you this video and help you in your situation, in your time of need, I guess. So before I start, I do want to mention that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week, and all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all those things, then you get 1 ticket in the hat. If you want multiple tickets, then comment on multiple videos. Also, I do want to remind everybody that I have an Amazon store. I'm going to be reminding everybody in maybe this first week. And then if I have any other products that I use that I want to tell people about, then I'll make sure I tell people. But I do have an Amazon store if you want to check that out. I have a link down below to where I have all of my YouTube equipment and any books that I read and credit card accessories, things like that. So yeah, go ahead and check that out as well. But let's go ahead and get into this video to give you all the information that you really came here to see. So applying for cards, this is something that people look at and they go, should I apply for, cards every single month? Should I split them out 2 months? Should I split them out 4 months? What should I do? I don't really know what's going to be looked at as a red flag when it comes to credit card issuers. Should I apply for 1 at a time, 5 at a time, whatever? I'm going to give you this information. So first, you need to understand exactly what you plan to do with credit cards. Are you looking for just certain things? So you need to understand if you're looking to like churn bonuses, if you're looking to get as many bonuses as possible, to travel as much as possible, to save as much money as possible. If you're looking to maximize savings, just getting cards so that you have different reward structures, different categories that cover your spending, or if you want to just like increase your credit score, if you're looking to build credit. So you have different areas that you can choose and whether you should be looking to apply for certain credit cards. So with building credit, if you're looking to build credit, you want to extend the period to where you're applying for cards out very long. If you're looking to churn bonuses, then obviously you want to apply in a different way because you want to get as many bonuses as possible to cover your vacations for the year or whatever you're looking to do. So there's different things that you really need to look at and understand exactly what you need to do. If you don't understand what you're doing, then you're not going to know exactly, how long you should apply, how long you should take until you apply for your next card. Also, you need to be aware of anything the issuer has. So any like terms and conditions the issuer has. So like say with Chase, they have 524. With Amex, they have like a once in a lifetime type of thing, once in a lifetime bonus. So if you get the gold card, if you had the gold card in the past, you can't get the gold card bonus in the future. So that's what they hit me with, even though I never had the gold card before. But, that's a whole situation. I could put that video up in the cards as well. That was more of like a depressing video, and I'm kind of over that. But you need to be aware of these things. So 524, once in a lifetime, anytime they have any type of stipulation to the bonus, they'll give you the terms of the bonus, the conditions of the bonus, and you'll be able to read that and know exactly what you can do. Now, 524, this is only for someone who's looking to really churn bonuses or, just obtain bonuses because you want to get all of the Chase cards first so that if you're over 524, when you get, like if you get other cards or you get 5 cards, then you don't have to worry about losing out on those Chase bonuses because once you're over 524, you cannot apply for any Chase cards. So they'll deny you. You can apply for it, but they'll deny you. So just make sure you're aware of the issuer's terms and conditions. So I also get questions on like whether you can apply every single week, whether you can apply every month, or apply as much as possible, and you don't want to do that. So if you look at the way they approve you for credit, if you look at the way a bank approves you for credit or gives you a credit line, a bank determines how much credit to give you based on factors such as income, history, repayment debts, and the number of new credit card accounts you've opened recently. Too many accounts opened in a short time is a red flag. So you think about something like that and you open too many accounts like every single week, probably by the third or fourth card, you're going to get denied, not because you have a horrible credit score, just because you're applying for too many cards at one time. You have too much of a credit line. You have too many inquiries in the first month or in the first 4 weeks. And it's just not, it's not something they want to see. They don't want to give you credit because of the fact that it can show that you're going to use all of that credit line to just pay off bills and then not pay those balances off. They don't want that to happen. So it's going to be a red flag. You can't apply every single week. You can't. So you have to know exactly how long you should take a break in between cards. So the article that I read was from 2014. So it was a long time ago. It was from millionmilesecrets.com. This, I'll have the link down below, but they're basically saying that you should apply for a card every 3 to 4 months. So when they're looking at it, they're saying you should apply every quarter. So you should apply for new cards every single quarter, and they're also saying that you should apply for several cards. So not just one, and I understand the method and the thought process behind it, but things have changed. The industry has changed, and I feel like this is out of date. And I understand that every quarter seems reasonable, especially to someone who has been applying every single month or applying every week and then getting denied their fourth one. It sounds reasonable, but it's not. Things have changed. So I'm going to get into what I feel like or how long you need to wait, in my opinion, for a new credit card or for new credit cards. Basically, how long you should wait is 6 months. Seriously. And I understand people are probably, shitting their pants, basically saying, I'm not waiting 6 months to apply for a new card. If I look at that, then it's going to be 4 cards and I'm not even going to get close to 524. And that doesn't even make sense. I'm not going to be able to get as many bonuses as I want. And I'm not going to be able to travel where I want. Calm down, because basically what I'm saying is you should apply every 6 months, but you should definitely apply for 2 or 3 cards at a time. The reason being is because if you apply for 2 or 3 cards at a time, it's not going to mess up your credit in any way because you're applying for these cards, you get approved for those cards, you have the length of credit, the age of credit stays the same for those cards. It's never going to drop below 6 months because every time you apply for a card, it's over the 6-month period. Yes, you're still going to have a low credit history or credit or age of credit because of the fact that it is 6 months. They want you to be around like 3 years or something or 4 years. And that's just insane, especially someone who's looking to travel hack or churn credit cards or anything like that. So 2 or 3 credit cards is definitely a good thing. Now, you do have to understand the factors like 524. I would probably apply for Chase cards first, but I didn't do that because I wasn't really a Chase fan. Actually, now I would like to get Chase cards, but I'm very close to being over 524, 1 card away, and I plan on getting the green card right now. My wife, I believe she's going to get the reserve card, so that's going to be something to where she's more into Chase, even though it's going to be a family thing. So I'm like Team Amex right now. Most of my cards, if not all of them, are Amex in my wallet. So you have to understand 524 and apply for those cards first if you want to churn credit card bonuses, if you want to just gain the most out of getting credit cards for their bonuses and also the rewards as well. So there is one exception as well. And I want you to kind of take this with a grain of salt, but if you get targeted for a large bonus, like say if the Amex Platinum card targets you for $100K bonus, then I would say that you go ahead and get that card, even though you weren't looking to get a card within, like say it's in the 3-month mark or 4-month mark. It makes sense for you to get the Amex Platinum because you're getting such a large bonus, and then you have to work that out when you get to your next cycle, or you can start your cycle over at that moment. And just apply for that card and then apply for your next 2 cards in 6 months after that. So I expect you to just take that and run with it and actually be reasonable when it comes to applying for credit cards. Don't apply midway through your 6-month mark and then at 3 months after that, apply for 2 or 3 cards, because it's probably going to be a red flag for you. So just try and work that out, but there are exceptions, especially if you get targeted for a large bonus. So that's really how long you should take in between cards, is 6 months. That's what I recommend, and apply for 2 or 3 cards because it'll help your whole situation out. Most people will say, hey, apply for 1 card every quarter, just like they said in this article in 2014, but things have changed. They're looking to crack down on people that are looking to get bonuses, travel for free in any way. So if you could find a way to split things out as long as possible, not saying do it 12 months, but do it 6 months, apply for 2 different issuers, then you can have something here. So that's my video. Hopefully you liked it. Take 6 months before you apply for your next card. That's my opinion. If you feel differently, make sure you comment down below. They look at a lot of things when it comes to issuers. I mean, they're changing and evolving every single day. So this is not going to stick, but I feel like this will be safe for quite some time. Just doing 6-month periods, and then obviously you're going to want to change it up. Maybe you do 6 months and then the next one you do 7 months, or maybe you do 5 months and the next month you do 6 months. Make sure you change it up, because if you keep it the same, then they're going to know that you're applying for another card and you may get denied as well. So they have all of these different algorithms, different things that they will look at, the computer will recognize and say, hey, this person is applying for cards every single 6 months. Let's deny him at the next card if he applies at the 6-month mark, something like that. So just, take your time, understand exactly what you need to do. But that's my video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all of those things, then you get 1 ticket in the hat. If you want multiple tickets, then comment on multiple videos. But that's it, and I'm going to have to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.